welcome back to our channel. This is your RTR pilot. So finally we reached, I had uploaded last video of Apache 190 modification. So for about one video we have reached more than 100 subscribers. So in between days I didn't upload any videos because of due to some exam. So just now I got time. So finally we are going to reach more than 200 subscribers. Thank you for all your support. So today we are going to reveal about a small short review of this is the package of Guardian gears. I think you can see. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, a Guardian gear small tank bag. It's an universal tank bag. So particularly this is already we have installed in our bike because due to some urgent case we need to unbox it. So I didn't unbox in this video, so already we had unboxed it. So this is about the review of this Guardian gears short bag. So this bag, so where is it? This is the bag which we are bought. So this is better than the mobile stand. Better you can use it as a mobile stand, a mobile holder, and you can use it for every purpose, like for keeping vehicles original documents, things, everything and all. So first of all we will start from the cover packing. So this is the packing which is come. So we will see what are the things contained inside the package. So first of all there is a small sticker of Guardian gears, a shining sticker. You can stick it onto your helmet or stick it onto your bike, anywhere as your wish. So next of all, a small user guide of that bag, Guardian gears. It's made up of, I will say later. Okay. And this is the warranty card and their visiting card of the shop, Guardian gears. I bought it from Amazon. Actually I bought this from Amazon. Everything I will say it later. This is the card. So okay, these three things you will get in the bag. This is also a small sticker, and this is a visiting card of there, and a small shining sticker, Guardian gears. So let it start from the bag. So this is the bag which I was saying about, a small bag. So here you will get Guardian gears logo. This is the Guardian gears logo, and this is the clear visible pouch. It contains a long zigzag zip. So it is this place you can use it as finger touch. It is finger touch proof, so you can use mobile within this touch. So actually I don't have another phone, otherwise I will show you. So it is finger touch, and you can charge with your mobile through this gap. You can use you can see the small hole. You can take your charger cable inside, or you can use your earphones through putting inside the mobile and connect through your mobile phones, and you can hear songs or something else, whatever you can do with this. And the back side of this sensitive pouch is an air hold gap, but there is a small issue in this. I will say it on the last. Okay, so this is the air ventilation, and after that these are the two clings to tight up the front. These two, this is the biggest rope, and this is the strap, and this is the back strap which we need to tight it on the tank pad. So after that this is the bag of zigzag contain. This is the seat. So inside contain like this of minimum of 2 or 3 liter gaps inside. so you can keep your vehicle details or something else you can. And downside of the bag contain of leather. This is the leather, and the downside it contain about 1 meter of two straps to tie at the end. About 1 meter of two straps to tie at the end. So if you guys want any installation video means, you can comment in the comment section, so I can I can do a video of installation. So because we doesn't have time, so I will put it on another video. If anyone asks for installation video means, I will put. So mainly this bag is made up of this bag name is Wolverine tank pouch, and high abrasion. This bag is made up of high abrasion persistent ballistic nylon fiber, nylon fabric. This is content. This is a waterproof bag. Okay, this is a waterproof bag because we used and we checked it. This is a waterproof bag, and OEZK original zippers. This is a branded zip. I think so. I don't know about these zippers, but branded zippers. They are putting zippers and pullers. And this is a touch sensitive. I already mentioned this is a touch sensitive made up of mobile friendly pocket because of this earphones hole, and for using map issues and attending phone calls and all. The width is about 20 centimeter. Okay, about 20 centimeter means, yeah, more than just 20 centimeters. I don't know about the exact locations and all. And this is a universal tank bag. It can fit to any universal bike. So finally, this we bought from Amazon. So like it cost about 600 rupees. It is better to choose, because for noobs and all, for noob riders and all, better to choose this Guardian Gear. I prefer Guardian Gear, because if you choose mobile holders and all, it will start to shake when you ride. If any small humpers or anything else, it will start to shake. Or if you go speed, sometimes if it happen break-ends, your phone will also go and your mobile holder also will go. So better I will prefer everyone to buy this Guardian Gear small tank pad bag to keep this like this. So one thing I forgot to show you. This is the bag. Sorry. This is the rain cover for the Guardian Gear bag. It's an elastic and it contains a Velcro strap, and it's there also their logo Guardian Gears. So this is the waterproof cover of this bag. So this much only in the content, and you can follow them on Instagram at Guardian Gears. So it's located in Hyderabad, I think so. So by the way, it cost around 600 rupees for me, and better I will prefer everyone to buy this. As your wish. I am saying to my own wish. So after that, you can buy this bag from their online shopping, from their online Instagram page of the Guardian Gears. Otherwise, you can buy through their official website Guardian Gears. So you can prefer. It will cost around 600 rupees only. Around it will cost like your mobile holder charges only. So okay, so support maximum. So comment on the comment section what I need to review next. So that's better to choose me to help what I need to review. So it will what about your wish to do review? So you can comment in the comment section. I will buy the product and I will do the review. So after that, anything else, do support maximum, share, subscribe. Soon we will reach 1k. After 1k we will give a giveaway if we reach 1k family in YouTube. So for one video only I got more than 100 subscribers. So I hope you guys all will do best for me. So follow me on Instagram at the RTR Pilot. Subscribe our YouTube channel and follow Guardian Gears on Instagram and support. Buy the link. I will give the link down in the description. You can buy from there. Okay. Bye bye. See you later on next video.